get the ball. Where are you? You're silly. You're silly. He's smart because Buttons was plucking away. What a smart boy. They're all gonna hang out with their mom. You're getting tired. Huh, baby? They're getting tired. Yeah, you're such a good mama. Bosco wants to come with you, though. You're showing him how to get out. Oh, there he is. Hi, baby. Hi, handsome boy. You are a smart one. Uh-oh. He's gonna try to get out now. Look at his little face. Look at his handsome face. Hi, baby. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Aw, hi, baby. No, but you're gonna get tired in like 2 minutes. Yeah, baby. What a pretty boy. Look at him. He wants me to say hi. Oh, he loves his mamas. Oh, but Dante. Dante wants the attention right now, huh? He's a pretty, pretty girl. Huh, you pretty girl. Enough of those babies, huh? I think that's Pearl. Is that Pearl? I think so. Pearl, who are you? Pearl, yes you are. He's a pretty girl. Each get a finger. Don't bite too hard. Oh, those are sharp teethers. Ow, ow. Yeah, you bite hard. Yes, you do. Oh, look at his face. What are you doing, Dante? What are you doing? You want your belly rubbed? No. Oh, they're playing with a toy. Uh-oh. Dante! Look at that handsome boy. He wants out. Pearl's getting tired. Okay, you guys gotta go nappies. You gotta go nappies. Yeah. Okay. Gonna put him to bed.